Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to today's English lesson. As always, please make sure you have something to write on and something to write with. Pause the video now if you don't have this equipment and join us when you are ready. Let's get started. To get our brains warmed up this morning, I would like you to think of as many other words which have the same or similar meaning to the word happy. Time yourselves for 1 minute, pause the video, and write all these words down. Off you go. Let's have a look at what words you came up with. The words I thought of which had the same or similar meaning to happy were glad, positive, pleased, merry, cheerful, excited, content, jolly, delighted, satisfied. I'm sure you came up with lots more words. Today's date is Thursday the 4th of March 2021, and today we are learning to understand different synonyms for the word said. To be a successful learner, first we will identify what synonyms are, explore synonyms for different words, and apply synonyms in my writing. We already know that we can use dictionaries like this one that we have at school, you might have a different one at home, which help us to find definitions of new words. We can also use a thesaurus, which is another type of book, similar to a dictionary. Thesauruses help us to find synonyms for words that we already know. Synonyms are words with the same or similar meaning. For example, happy means the same as joyful and all of the other words that you thought of in our morning starter. Now we are going to match up some words to the correct synonyms. The words that we are going to look at are happy, small, shouted, went. I would like you to match these words up to another synonym which has the same or similar meaning. Pause the video while you write them down. Let's check our answers. So, happy, a word that has the same meaning or similar is the word cheerful. Small. The synonym for small is tiny. Shouted. A synonym for shouted is screamed. And walked is the synonym for went. Good work, Year 2. We've got a word in our word jail now. It's a boring adjective, big. What words have the same or similar meaning to the word big? I am looking for the synonyms. Could you pause the video now and write down all of these words that have the same or similar meaning to the word big? Let's see what words you came up with. The words I came up with were huge, large, giant, massive, enormous. I'm sure you came up with lots more synonyms for the word big. We've got another word in the word jail. The word is sad. Sad is another boring adjective. What synonyms can you think of for the word sad? Pause the video and write them down. Let's have a look at what I came up with. The words synonyms for sad I came up with were miserable, down in the dumps, unhappy, low, blue. I'm sure there were lots more synonyms that you came up with for the word sad. Now we are going to explore some synonyms in the story. We are going to be looking at words which have the same or similar meaning to the word said. I would like you to please turn to page 4 of your book, Wombat Goes Walkabout. We are going to look at some sentences from the story, and I would like you to find the missing word, which is a synonym for said. The sentences are, who are you? the kookaburra. That's nothing, kookaburra. Pause the video and write down the 2 synonyms for said in these sentences. Let's see if you found them. Who are you? Cried the kookaburra. That's nothing, cackled kookaburra. Well done if you found the synonyms for the word said. If you didn't find them, that's fine. We're going to have another go. Could you please turn to page 6 of Wombat Goes Walkabout? We are going to look at some more synonyms for the word said. Here are the sentences. Who are you? That's nothing, Wallaby. Pause the video and write down the 2 synonyms for the word said. Let's check our answers. Who are you? He asked. That's nothing, laughed Wallaby. Well done if you found those synonyms for the word said. Now it's your turn to apply your knowledge of synonyms for the word said. First, I would like you to find all of the synonyms for said in the story. I have included some of them in our word bank on your worksheet. I would then like you to use these synonyms for said and apply each word correctly in a sentence to describe what is happening in each page of the story. I would love you to share your work with me in this afternoon Zoom lesson, or you can send me some pictures through email. Good luck, Year 2.